Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a clear frame on Capcut. So select overlay, add overlay, and add a wide stock video. Select this wide stock video and press add. We're just going to scale it up. Scroll until you find the mask button, select it, and select rectangle. Then you are going to press invert, which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. And you're just going to adjust the size of the frame. Just going to leave it like this so you guys can see the clear frame. Press the checkmark button. Then go to splice and choose overlay. Press the checkmark button and adjust it till the end of your video. Oops, I went a little bit too far. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!